Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
I mean for land acquisition.
Land acquisition. Sometimes I started, and I'm a sapon quarry man also by. Yes. Me too.
Chairman, opinion you come. I can't pay. Say, and can you cry? I saw a toss as a ton rainy season. Ton time and suito. No assassin and the bobre, assassin ne yabia, our de cotto. I'll be to me the eye. Yama assassin tono, acquire bibi who say. It do be a no bisa a young posse and can be jama individual saton assassin. Yamra, and ye, I'm 2 years ago, I saw pass another law. Say, oh, assassin, say, oh, ton double sale, no, I was so trained at the Bama. A bushing crop. And can you more practice patrilineal inheritance?
Yeah.
Papa and man nine and nanny manum will be able to me transfer, so be able to me sign. You need proper records, be as soon as you win one or best I am a busian, will be able to me sign. Now, as a croya Tom and Nipa Ben nine. Now, Ben Kate Chepa, Huna Betty, or no, you know, Yana say, or a langard. Nipa, I should or monk or maimu, as an assassin. I may have my domicile Bosian. Yami ambo Thomas Campo, na mkoto asasi dowenya. You move me ako 4 different spots. Me na 4 nyo obi me ankasa me. Ya mama asasi no ha. Obaba na no obi twa foundation. Uko uni oto asasi no. Bo mu mo ha dweme ka say si dan nentam. Ne edo akoba bi fufuro nti the fact is wato asasi ma me che say chinchine say me si dan no. Say me woska say me niska. The last one e de me koye na obi to me for say sa area ho ankasa ho ehu nti ebe ya wo de hwehwe na yenye search ma me koye search asase no ye obi dim enso ne oton asase no o hye me ya search ntina me first campo mra no onkoto fence wo ma me nti Ghana asase sem no na enkankan nkran ha Accra ha in particular wo de agro obi ajo nkwan fi wonzem.
Oh yes.
Enti ya ne bi say won say adeti kura na ne say owobusia kura won kobo na won to dan ya yesi deda na won to na police fu nim hu bi ahemfo nim hu bi say so complex an issue a ya kase ya be ye ya digitization no say assassination na ya be ma no kura ye obi bi ya de be search hu assassin we kura menya ntueska na o zika no koso a nya de ya de be ma wo predu wani be ba ho say Accra na to na o ya du aburi ye be twa de wakwa
obi si opeso relocate free Ghana
yo
na menkai se nansia no bi de cement ekoto ambulance room say cement so ye nyane no say any resuscitation no obi so the picture ba ku bi aba or say is God really aware of this country? Abobo ya etwe taxi. I'm say taxi na could break it down. Inti dia homa achichi abobo ya ne akochi ne etwe no. Inti to aso asase asem.
Inti say ya ma ya nyina ya ni yanko.
Ne ya taxi mu nyedu ncha abobo ya.
So otwe no.
Otwe.
Say be peja.
O be twen. O senti na accident be ban. Enti o say ye ma ya nyina ya ni kon. Ya hihye mmara ne bebre. Maka pem say Ghana ahia ya mmara ya hihye okroma no. Oman mu no edo so sin ni pe wom Ghana ya be hihye mmara ne sisia na hwan na ekwa akohwe implementation hwan na ekwa hwe se mmara na ya hihye no ya de be ye adwuma enti obi ayire no ho abobra bosia ne ade meme de me bobosia na o de koto asase ya obi adada wajo sika di ye wo ekwan office bi e be ka se area ha asase de opese oto a kosa office we asomasi nko na obetumi ahwe ama ye nya bibi sa ne agai se abusua ne de obi abetumi aton ene omo a omaye omo se ono adwuma be ye wiase ane se ono obebo asase ho ban eni nipa ehwedo
na adwuma no
edu ba bi a me de asase de ofa wo mfa ahwe na me de ache wo de fa na mo because I can't exchange my life for land sase na wo kopre no obi adenta hai na sase 2 plots o te ba ko so na ba ko esi ho na obi ha land gas mako 17 gina ho ma ye si dan na wi aboso nipa na o si dan won tumi enwura dan ho waka baby ne makora ntumi ama ho ye si a ho adane forest
me maame me maame bi a enya me maame o mda me maame ba ko Oto asase e wa Belinkpe. Unu ma Belinkpe?
Yeah.
A Belinkpe he ya. Oto asase nem say 76. Ye ka say. Obi afechiri. Etima ya ho krata. Aton. Amobi. Ye ka say sie yi. Nipa ni si dan wo so. Ode Langards. Akugu asase no so.
Police headquarters. Ye wo
police
Langards one unit.
Police phonim. Enti as we speak no. Case no e court.
And so still almost done.
E court o. So musi. According to a mabre wane minuanum no.
Yeah.
Police phonim. Na as a police phobia. And so-called national security phobia. I got the Langards no. And yes. Ain't you know Langards no ebo assassin no hoban. And anchrophobia and police for national security for Langards no hoban. And a case no a walk court.
And so me na me no binya asama. You be flow say here contempt.
Enya asama me ke enya do wenya wo kan. Abele.
So enti say ya yemra no. What is a vice president say obehwe na ya implementing land act. Onhwe ni yi. Na enipa enkankan ba kwhye omo wotumi yachi say ubechinchim obi nsa age na asase. Asase na hia na wo pe. Wo de ko he. De enim kofo pia asisi dan akase wo ko efie nim a wo dan one room na wo wona akasa no wo bed na hwe bebi a hye na mpa na nkasa wo da so no hwe kona wo da na wani ti ahwe bebi a wo da kakra bi ketuwa bi enti edu bebi a say yenim a we have to name and shame en kankane omo a ehihye akire a omaya ho wo boa me ma me bi asase na mema obi no problem
German.
Yes.
If I show Sankis, you know, would you chile there?
Near court.
So I say my minion.
And please for know what did they tell you? What have they said to you?
Brofo.
Also on Macam bro. Where we can. I'm here. That is in the pipeline now. We are investigating.
No, that was the second one.
We are investigating.
You see then. Investigation.
No,
you see then.
Court and my order. Where you near? Ono ya chema je nanti yati o na sebi me nua bi a ono wo Madina Boko bi area ha ba bia ye chim ne nsa age na sase kwa na kan bi ma no na obi edidi ho obi didi mu police ni pani bi ono oboa maji asase na ono so age ne de wanyina ya de akoso a na ye che obi se we say double say ye che ope me a me brother to asase 250 acres. Nani ban ho so na asase na ba 160.
Oh any be jeff.
No, and on ahemfo no quarter is na say and about 105. I think at the time am register asase ni wie no na about 73. Me na make sure 250 at about 73 acres. Na ne esre kura ne say fa ne say edem ha nyina na asase ne kase atia. Table ye sin finfin ayo bi dia. Eden na nipa no wasase ni nyina omatutum sei asase no ntu be so dey development kwa utumi nya development papa bia e bi story building na esimfimfini baako e sha no sei what is happening in this country.
I know because the entire country is a crime scene.
Enti edu ba bia na ya enye obia no betumi e sa ketiketi no say me no be fe so ni nyina COP and Kofi of blessed memory or say one bullet can end your life. Nti se na ebe ya obi enhwere ne nkwanti oya o se enya no na ama ahye sa nkofo enkunu a omugu so eya ne omoye na ye na nka ya chia ahemfo mienu miensa kogum udu ha ya woro mpa bo anyina ama na aka bossa shots ni ye lokuwa sabi nka ya na aka no so de besu enyansa koso dodo enti ya nyiri ye ho se ye bebo ya ho ban na ye ma asase sem eni yenya abanya asase kura enipa ewia abanya asase schools nsase ankofo elfa na legon asase nka na da hoi legon asase
oh yeah
shadodo afa presek asase nyina ankofo afa enti siase e be ye dia yenye nie because e ade a ha nipa obi adwendwen sa tim na okọ se ya hyehyɛ mmara ne yamfa anya adwuma dia na hu nko hia mpo se ya be hyehyɛ mmara
and obi ka se say asase ne genuinely e odia I don't know Highland Guard.
I didn't call na chairman. What was I say? I'm not catching him. Sit down in them. Sit down in them.
Actually, be your friends say let's see no. And actually, be no the langas nibo. The lesson no na obeka show so me bon ho bayama you sit down no mom will go and contract the services of these Nkrofo to make sure say like he was telling us in terminal. Anka obesi ya anka you'd find
Okodonya obisa anka ni din your friend anka enya me nko obia ni me say pram police for okra nim how many times mama ya che no amam ba bi fufuro o si sinentem obo ni din police for na anka sa nim no enya news to them
no ni pe friend anka de
then ye no
so dey oti din ni de na anka so tun hufu
ai I take my money and can have me say me obia me nim no genuinely me kan just say to asase just say you registered that near the paper account say je but say no say oh amount sa indenture na there forget the same land nipa one indenture so broten aden
but Senate Vice President take no say effective implementation of land acts adi ya kan brofu ya chepa say me ha many nka
chairman advice
President Kufa Breso. Almost started BB said more years home documentation
land administration
project. So President Kufa Breso started.
I was part of the committee.
It was an improvement. Like I mean,
now President Kufa upon a Juma cry how many years near? So upon Juma 2009 cry.
Yeah, or yes,
Kwame Jan. Kwame Jan started assassin.
To be fair to
no, I can't say any you. I mean, it's been improved upon over time.
Absolutely.
But how come say we're still where we are? Inti asasia abrewa turn time oya baba 76. I think 76 maybe 6 years old. 76 maybe 6. Satan mabrewa no ya baba o. No toy. And then as we speak, case no court. Court ama injunction. Ama restraining order hwan. And so nya fetch atoma no. Ebi anope kro ne langas ne national security police whatever protection. Omo ho ye adwuma.
Hwe papa asemo kan wasi omtumi pon adwuma Friday. Ebedu Monday obeba na obi asidan. Wasi dan yo, nya se osi. Wasi awie motim.
Jeso mu ye adwuma na adwuna no pa.
Na fast track high court bra ye adwuma ntemsa.
Akra had the news is you.
Oda bi. My biggest problem is that who protects the vulnerable?
Director of Bridges, Ghana Highway Authority. And Ghana Highway Authority for. We would like some answers to Ashaman overhead, Achimota overhead.
Achimota the chairman.
Obisi, Kwame Sefakain. There's a place called Galilee or Galilea at English Manfro. Kwame, somebody is building in the middle of the road, right there. The MCE is aware. The municipality is aware. Nobody cares. Another one is Onebi Edia Breming. Nedia no so de nwanwa kra asin bibia. Obi create illegal roadblock our Parakou boundary road. For the last 5 years, I have lived at the boundary of Parakou estates.
Yeah.
My neighbor started parking heavy-duty machines and a 20-footer container on the road that leads immediately to my house. I have had to use the estate's route to get to my house. I have grappled with this challenge for the last 5 years. The situation is getting out of control. Kwame, the last straw, the guy has blocked the road and annexed it for himself. We've complained to somebody called Raymond at Gan East Municipal Assembly. No action.
chairman, it's good.
And I was trying photos there, Chairman. Or see a friend at Manso Street.
Chairman, every lawyer for bit me up. Chairman, Obi Sadi, is it legally acceptable? Say also, Sabi, maybe you would also go and find equipment be a bit media push at the Nabunu, and I say with the cockot.
Just heard the cockroach. Just over
that somebody deliberately will commit an illegality, and you would have to go to court in order to fight that illegality. When you could have easily just cleared it now, Obia Hunton.
Kwame, I met a land broker. The minute he told me his name is I Day For You, I advised myself and went somewhere. The name scared me, just like the anchor mentioned in your studio today. Wow.
I'm having a similar situation in my area.
Obisi Kwame, the problems of land in Accra is the doing of the judges in our courts. Because Betina court case, 15 years. 15 years. When national security, police and military protect land guards to develop your land, what do? If you own a land and the law works, you wouldn't need land guards to protect you. Kwame Asare says so. So obviously the laws don't work.
No.
Chairman General, I was supervising a building construction at Insakina, a 3-story building. Land guards came to the site. I was on the 3rd floor and they pushed me.
Oh.
It was just the grace of God that I'm alive today. I just say.
Chairman, I'm having a similar situation in my area right now. Adia Air Road. Just right after my house.
Mebao, Yakubu East Legon. Or see, when was the last time you drove through the East Legon police station area? There's no more a green belt. It's now an estate belt.
Yes. What I'm saying, there's supposed to be a distance between the motorway and 100 meters a kilo, or I don't know how the length. But Usha says, almost Yama says, yeah, motorway Nankasa. If there's going to be an expansion, Chairman, I've been as a Budano, no compensation, no feeling, combo yaban, and all of that. One could have avoided all of these. Asema Miki, just right after my house, Yatuntom, it's a road, Yatuntom. And there's another person at Yaton Road Namano. Ono baby Osinukra, he's blocking the waterway. When I confronted him, no, come reach me. So, if a woman say a coin, but Oma diverted coin until Oma Toman until so we see what we are. He has to agree, say, Obama, Monsieur no coin. Now, a country, if he disagrees, there's nothing I can do.
I think insurance by agree, and I was only about it.
Chairman, also, or no, why shada. Was mat the wall is strong enough to resist Nsuno.
Does it know the force of water?
Chairman.
Meanwhile, Menka Bakuna Bremo, Bunti Pokwasi, or say we bought land at Amasamang. We were given all the documents, so went to Lands Commission to find out if the land is truly for the person we bought it from. After checking, we found out the land is registered in some estate name. We went to the woman we bought the land from, and she told us that she's not a watchman to watch over land we bought 2 years ago. Sometime, Brem.
Chairman, but now I think they're not can say ensure obi blocking so. Say some no can say not move for Kumasi. Area ho. Any Adembra Sadeba area ho no. Tedie and for see across one some can say no ensure tall between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. and ra. Said the where you know property na se for. Since not move for a gumuna or mo share so mo ebe menkro for akọ from film akọ safety. Oh, nti ye niema no a ye nye esikanti a ye beji asase no. We take everything for granted. We take everyone for granted. Said na atik wo kano. Nti adan na ba bia ho ye afro. Anya me bo afro no for a purpose. I was here feeling ho e di asase a e din. Once you baby you start the program na make sure I was in rainfall party no.
Yeah.
Sanema we say nyina no factors so. But chama
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet you.